ADICOM's Research and Development Department designs the world's best solutions and technologies for gas compression and treatment. Each ADICOM system is fully assembled and tested in the in-house test center in order to verify its correct operation at design conditions. ADICOM is proud to present its integrated system developed to compress and treat biogas from the digester to the gas upgrader. This smart solution consists of 2 compressors and a dedicated gas treatment system installed into a 40-foot customized sound and weatherproof container, specifically designed to maximize accessibility and after-sales services. Two single-stage screw compressors suck biogas and compress it. They can work in parallel or independently. The compressors are oil lubricated and direct coupled with IE4 motors. The compressed gas passes through the oil separation tank sized to manage the compressor flow rates. The gas goes to shell and tube heat exchangers to be cooled by water. A post-compression treatment system is included to achieve compressed gas oil and water free. It consists in a shell and tube heat exchanger with refrigerated water, a water separator, a set of high-efficiency filters, and a heat exchanger to reheat the gas at the desired temperature. The oil from the separation tank is recycled in a closed circuit and cooled by water before entering in the screw block. The entire process is fully managed by the control panels and can be controlled remotely. The compressed and treated biogas continues through the upgrading process to be then used in several renewable applications.
ADICOM, Advanced Gas Compressors.